In Studio 3, my project is to create an interactive experience with the environments by using sound as a medium to interact with the flower. And the title of our project is Lotus. The project will be work with my classmate Vicky, so we play different roles in the project. Our project is about the idea of using voice to bring color and life to the virtual world. Inspired by our visit to a temple where people offer lotus the flower to statues of God. We delved into the history of the lotus in religious texts, which further fuel our fascinations with this symbolic flower. This led us to create an interactive experience where players use melodic sounds to bloom lotus flower, each representing different elements like peace, wisdom, and spirituality. In the virtual environment, players will find themselves in dark and gloomy world, experiencing a sense of calm. Through making a voice, they can trigger the blooming 3 specific color flowers, which are white, blue, and red. These flowers play an critical role in changing the environment overall ambience. As players collect these flowers throughout their journey, the surrounding become interesting, beautiful. The project's idea is trying to connect between the external world and our inner self. The concept draws inspirations from the notions of "this too shall pass," emphasize that all emotions are transient and subject to change. The lotus flower plays an important role due to its rich history and cultural background. I have already made a few of concept arts to explore the feeling of each sense. We choose the moon scenes is because blue tone display a sense of calm, and we want to highlight the lighting of flower. It will show a strong contrast between the light elements and the evening environment. To compare with morning and noon, night versions brings more peaceful feeling. Next, I have completed the color palette, animation sketches, and developed some basic mechanics in Unity. The flower animations and water shader are done by Vicky and implement in Unity. We are currently work on voice tracking to enable interactions between players and the flowers. To achieve our visions, we are using Unity as our primary development platform, and for animations and modeling, we rely on Maya. By tracking player voice to trigger flower animations, we aim to create an engaging and immersing experience. Additionally, we are seeking reference to help us with the development with level and background design. With existing reference like Game of Flowers, Flow, along with interactive work like TeamLab Live. Currently, the main issue is the voice tracking system, as the project only can track the volume of the voices. We are looking for frequencies of the voice because we don't want to see players are going to produce loud voice with low tone. Thus, we still need to search a method to solve the issues. In conclusion, our project has a short narrative that provide the interactive element. Our next plan is to provide a proper animatic and storyboard in the coming weeks to further refine the experience, including the flower mechanic and the environment change.